Mastering English Phrases. Unraveling Keep Off. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we make English learning fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase, keep off. Whether you're navigating English in daily life or looking to enrich your language skills, understanding phrases like this is crucial. So, let's explore what keep off really means and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Keep off is a phrase that you might encounter in various places. At its core, keep off is a directive or a warning. It's used to tell someone to stay away from a certain area or object. For instance, you might see a sign saying, "Keep off the grass," at a park, which means you shouldn't walk on the grass. But it's not just about physical spaces. Keep off can also be used metaphorically. For example, if someone says, "Keep off the topic of politics," they mean avoid discussing politics. Now, let's see how keep off can be used in various situations. 1. Public places, like our earlier example, keep off the grass. Here, it's a straightforward instruction to not go onto a specific area. 2. Personal boundaries. If someone says, "Please keep off my personal matters," they are asking you to respect their privacy and not pry into their personal life. 3. Sensitive topics. In discussions, "Let's keep off controversial subjects," is a polite way of steering the conversation away from potentially divisive issues. Each context alters the nuance of keep off, but the underlying theme is always about maintaining distance or avoidance. Understanding variations in synonyms enhances your language flexibility. Here are a few. Stay away from. More general. It can be used in both physical and metaphorical contexts. Avoid. This is often used in a broader sense and is less direct than keep off. Do not enter, a more specific directive, typically for physical spaces. Remember, each phrase carries a slightly different tone and formality, so choose according to the situation. And that's a wrap on keep off. We hope this video has helped you understand how and when to use this phrase effectively in English. Always remember, mastering a language is about understanding the nuances. Stay tuned for more insightful language tips, and keep practicing. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.